Okay, here it is how you can make your own server or Mediacenter for TV if you have one laptop. Okay, this is the laptop. I simply release the top cover and the display from laptop. This is broken on my laptop, and that's why I make this media center. Okay, we have a power source. Okay, sensor for mouse and laptop, and this is with HDMI. Okay. I put it here to make video. I move it on the TV later. We have a touchpad, keyboard, his own speakers, and I leave wireless inside, and I routed wires from wireless, from antennas. They are actually came into back of the display, but I routed inside the laptop. I show you in one picture later. And so we have wireless working without problems. Okay, power on. This is the temporary display. Okay, focus. I have installed Windows 10 for testing. So with this is with one SSD. Okay, and 4 GB of RAM, DDR3, and we have E3 third generation. Okay, it's very quiet, even if we play 4K on YouTube. And we have this is two drivers which I don't install it yet, and we have Intel HD Graphics 4000 from video from CPU, and for heavy business we have dedicated video AMD Radeon HD. So we have without battery, of course. Okay, there's no battery present. This is wireless. Okay. Okay, and we are connected to the internet. I recommend Opera browser. It's working more flawlessly than EA and Firefox and Chrome, but today we only make this for testing. And let's see if we have no, don't have remind me later, we don't have full HD resolution on that video. Let me try this. This is commercial. Okay, gone. This is, we have full HD. Okay. And this is, as you can see, laptop Windows actually has routed the sound, because you don't hear anything, has routed the sound through monitor. And we have to, okay. We turn off the sound because of not have problem, and this is full HD. Okay, it's working flawlessly on 24 monitors, and that's it. That's the whole business. You have Mediacenter with this is the keyboard for other testing. We have Mediacenter for do anything with it with Windows. That's it, guys. Thank you.